Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, if you are new to the page, go ahead, hit the like, the subscribe, and most importantly, the notification bell. If you are not getting the notifications, which half of you that are subscribed to me are not clicked on the notification bell, just wait till you get home to your computer. It's easier to hit the notification bell on your computer than your cell phone. I don't know why they make it so complicated. Today, we're going to talk about SHIBA INU, aka the SHIB, aka the INU. All right. So, and we're going to talk about just crypto in general. I took a few notes here. I want to do this. We're going to go over some charts. I'm going to tell you what I think is the outlook for SHIBA INU and other crypto. All right. Took a few notes right here. I just want to read these right quick so we can get this in the way. All right. So in the infrastructure bill, there was an implied taxation from the Democrats on crypto. So in the infrastructure bill, they wanted to put some language in there to tax crypto, right? And crypto is supposed to be decentralized, right? So it's not supposed to be exactly like regular stocks. So what they want to do is they want to regulate it. They want more of our money, right? So again, China reiterated the ban on state-owned companies, including Bitcoin miners, etc. China, same FUD. Remember, I keep saying this. They keep saying the exact same thing every 3 to 4 months, every 3 to 6 months. And the crypto market has the same reaction like it's the first time hearing it. And what it is there's a lot of new buy-ins. And so now the newbies come in, and then we suffer from short-term memory, and then we panic sell, right? And causing it to go down. It's the same news. We knew about this language in the bill. We went over this if you've been following me, and we knew about China. That's why I'm done. I'm personally done with Chinese companies. I just don't like it. Period. All right. I'm just keeping it real, good people. All right. So these things we already knew, of course. It's the same thing over and over. They just keep rehashing the same thing. Every time crypto runs up, here comes the FUD, pushes it back down. But here's another thing. There was a ton of options that expired today, Friday, November 19th. So, and then some of them were triple leveraged, okay? Some of them 10 times. And so they're expiring today. And so what that tells me is there is positive movement coming for all crypto, including SHIBA INU, right? There is a new bipartisan bill to address the software developers and miners, etc. So basically, so they don't fit under the umbrella of crypto brokers, okay? So if you're a crypto broker, then they want to tax you, all right? And so they're just trying to work that out. The cool thing is, there's a bipartisan bill, means the Democrats and the Republicans are trying to straighten this language out. We've been through this before. Same deal. All right. Same reaction. So let's go to the charts and let's look. So this is SHIBA INU. Let's start with SHIB. So SHIB, this is, you know what? Let me show you this first. This is something that brought me joy this morning when I woke up. So it's not exactly this way now, but this is what I like to see. Remember when everything was red, and now look at that. Everything was green this morning. This is Friday. Everything was green. Look at SHIB. Look at Decentraland, XRP, Polkadot. These are just some of the ones that is on my watch list. Okay. And that's what I like to see, because what's happening now is, now that those options are up and people are realizing it's the same FUD, I believe that SHIBA INU will have some positive movement, especially by Monday. Okay, there's a couple of things. I believe that there will be 1 million addresses reported, 1 million new, a million, not new, but 1 million SHIB holders. I believe that report that will happen by Monday, if not before then, but by Monday, I believe it'll be official. There's a lot of different counts out there about how many it is, 999. I believe it'll be a solid million by Monday, and they may report it by Tuesday, but by or before Monday, we'll be at 1 million, and that's good news. So you got a bigger disbursement of the coin. You have more retailers buying the coin and not just big whales that could drop it. So what's happening with the SHIB right now, it's actually looking really good. And now here, let's look at the day. At the day, as you guys know, last night it was fighting. Look at here. You got quad 041 all the way to quad 052. I mean, that is a nice swing on SHIBA INU. Let's look at the 5-day. We know that all crypto tank, pulling it down with it. I mean, it pulled it down really, really low. And to be honest with you guys, man, it was difficult last night. It was getting so low. And the fact of the matter is it could have went down as low as the 3s. And I would be lying to you guys to tell you that I wasn't fearful of that happening. And so I was like, I was like this guy right here going, man, if it drops below what I bought it, and I just got to keep it real. You guys, I shared with you guys how much I have. I have 2 billion shares of it. And, it's not easy. But one of the things I want to tell you guys, and this is more important, this is not the actual book, but I have a book just like this, and it's my book of disciplines. And when I tell you one of the best things you need to do is have a book of discipline, it will make and keep you more money. I looked in my book of disciplines, and then I just looked at lessons I've learned. And when I looked at it, it reiterated that I needed to hold, not sell. And it also reiterated that if I had more powder, I should be looking at an opportunity to buy and not FOMO. But I'll be lying to you people, like I was like this. I was like that guy sweating bullets. But hey, listen, SHIB, I believe, has a positive upward movement now, even though it is cooling off from today. If you could see it, it went up, but it cooled off a little bit. That does not worry me. We got next week, Monday. Let's see how it's looking Monday. Now, I don't have any prediction, but I believe that we will be in the green, more in the green than in the red. So that's all I could see short period by Monday. But remember, Thursday is a holiday. And so the markets won't be open on Thanksgiving, and it'll probably be a half a day Friday, the day after. But I'm happy that we made it through last night without hitting the 30s. So quad 03. And it could have happened. All right, let's go to Mana. Look at Mana. Mana's killing it. I mean, Mana is killing it. I made a video yesterday talking about Mana. For those of you that know, we got in Mana. Let's look at the 5-day. Look at Mana. Mana is killing it. Let's look at a month. So even though the entire crypto market was tanking, Mana actually was running up. Mana was going against the entire, it was just a sea of red. Mana was like, so what? And Mana just kept running. And that's some strong signals for me. I'm glad when I brought it to you guys, I bought it at 93 cents. Mana is $4.25. If you look at the video from yesterday, I showed you that report that I agree with. And so far, we're cooking. We're cooking with grease. All right. I want to keep it going. Here's another one I want you guys to start looking at, Solana. Okay. I want you guys to look at Solana, and I want you to look at Ethereum. Okay. Now, if you can see, the charts are polar opposite. Solana, Ethereum. Okay. Let me see if I can get Ethereum. Let me get Solana up here. Let me do this. Okay, so actually they're kind of tracking the same. If you look at that, Solana and Ethereum, look at that. Now, for those of you that are just in the Shiba Inu, I'm going to tell you that you need to have some more stable altcoin. These are still altcoins, but well, Solana is at this point. But it's one of the more stable altcoins, okay? And I believe, me personally, I believe that what just happened was probably one of the last shakeoffs before the bull whip. I call it the bull whip. And that could happen within the next month, I believe. This is me personally. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. I'm just talking about what I see. And so I believe that, we could have another little flash crash like we had 2 days ago. And that's not going to worry me. Remember, we took that as an opportunity to buy. And I bought some more Solana. I share with you guys, I bought some more Mana. Okay. But I'm also going to start buying some Ethereum in these dips. I want you guys to keep an eye on Ethereum and Solana. Okay. You have a lot of NFTs on both networks. And what I think is that Ethereum and Solana will move at a greater rate than Bitcoin in this bull season on a percentage. Remember, my theory is I want to be in the fastest moving car. So I want you guys to keep an eye on Solana, which I'm dollar cost averaging at this point, and Ethereum, which I have actually more of Ethereum than anything, second by ADA. And I do also believe that ADA will go on a run with it. Ethereum and Bitcoin is going to take ADA with it. So if you've been holding ADA, I just wouldn't be selling it right now. I just believe that you're going to be pleasantly surprised when this bull run, the end of this bull whip is what I call it, it happens. And then you need to start thinking about an exit plan. So what I want you to do today is you tell me what you plan on doing after this bull cycle, when you think this bull cycle is at the top. I want you to tell me what you plan on doing. Do you plan on moving it to stablecoin? Do you plan on cashing it out and doing something else with it? Or do you plan on cashing out, waiting for crypto winter and buying more? Please leave me a comment on what you plan on doing. And I will tell you this. I got to tell you guys, if you're new to crypto could, when winter hit, crypto could crash 50, 60%, 70% even. But no one knows when that is. There is a big community out there that believes by the end of December will be the safe time to actually get out, or they think that that's when it'll be over. And then there's another big community that thinks it's going in the first quarter of next year. No one knows for sure. Okay. But I just got to keep you guys informed of everything that's going on. Listen, I'm going to tell you guys that are not into crypto. You've already left a lot of money on the table. Crypto is here to stay. All of the Democrats and the Republicans they're going to make it. They're going to make it fit to their benefits, both sides. It is here to stay. They're not getting rid of it. Banks are starting to adopt it. Governments are starting to adopt it. And there's going to be a lot of money because it is it's just an emerging currency, if you want to call it that. But it's a new way. It's a hedge against the dollar. And when inflation goes high and people start getting out of stock, they're looking for gold. What is the new gold? Bitcoin is the new gold. Well, should I say cryptocurrency, or what I call bit gold is the new gold. And Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies now are rising at a higher rate than gold is. So it is the new gold. All right. So I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Let me know what you plan on doing when you think the bull market is over. Remember, always have an exit plan or an exit strategy whenever you enter. All right, good people, listen, if you're not into crypto, download the Coinbase link below. All right, deposit $100. They're going to give you some free Bitcoin. And if you want to swing trade crypto and stocks, then download the Webull below. So for your cryptocurrency, you want to download Coinbase, deposit $100. They're going to give you some free Bitcoin. But for swing trading your crypto and swing trading your stock, download the Webull app. Link provided below. You can literally put $5 in there right now, okay? And they're going to give you up to $2,300 in free stock. Then when you buy some crypto, they're going to give you some free crypto. Most people, mostly everybody, has been getting SHIBA INU. All right, we're going to leave it right there. It is Friday. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. We'll see. I don't know when I'll see you guys, probably Sunday. I might do something short from the car. And listen, I want you to look at this video. These are some of the tools that I use. I'm going to leave a video here at the end of some of the tools that I use for my study and to help me make more money. All right. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.